Hello, my beautiful wildflowers. How are you today? Alexis here with Modesty. Welcome to our Self-Care Saturday. And today I have something different. And I have a unbagging of a new subscription. And this is called a Self-Care Bag. Here we go. See if you can see that. Okay. And also, this is a small family-owned company, and let me see if it says here, thank you for supporting my small business. And it's actually a woman that you see here. It's a woman that actually owns it, and she's actually really great because almost like every other day, depending on how often you want it, she sends like positive messages and self-care messages. And I actually have this beautiful, like, it's downloadable, like a little, you can print it and frame it if you want. It's sayings and quotes, and it's so nice. And I really, really like it. And I wanted to share this with you guys. And this is actually $18.33 a month is what it comes out to, because you pay shipping and handling all that stuff, right? And it is small business. And so, but this is the very first bag that, that I received, and I got it from Cratejoy. And Cratejoy, if you go to Cratejoy, they also have discounts there all the time. So you should be able to get some kind of discounts on there. But if I could find a discount code, I will put it below. Okay, so please check there and see. So yeah, and so let's get it started. I know we usually do the cards and things like that, but I'm gonna go ahead and do this opening for you first, and then perhaps we can get to the cards. Okay, so here we go. Okay, all right. Okay, there it just comes in, oh, I like this. This is like a satin. It's a satin bag. This is almost like how, what is it, IPSY comes, right? This cute little bag. And so it's a nice satin bag. It says Self Care Sac. Look at this. This is very cute. Very, very cute. And let's see what's inside. But like I said, for $18.33, I mean, you really can't go wrong. Okay, so is there a card? Is there anything in here that tells me what things are? Oh, it does come with a little be your own kind of beautiful. Here's a little card. Like I said, this is the first time I ever unboxed this. So I am discovering this along with you. And so it says here, Self-Care Sac. It's okay to make mistakes. It's okay to have bad days. It's okay to be less than perfect. It's okay to do what's best for you. It's okay to be yourself. Ah, that is so cute. Look at this. This is a cute little, it's a saying that comes with it. That's really nice because I love to have things around like this, like inside. I use it like a bookmark, in my notebook or something. And all of a sudden I open it, this falls out and I read it. And it reminds me, right? Yeah, so it's nice. And let's see, what is this? Oh, it's actually, there's a business card. This is the owner. And she included a card with her information in a back. And this is actually very nice that she gives you all of this information up front. I like that. And it says her name is Mary Kay and Mom Boss. She's Mom Boss, okay? And she is a social seller and an entrepreneur. And she specializes in real anti-aging, changing real lives, and blessing real people. Oh, that's so nice. I'm glad I, came across this. And I was looking, what I was doing is I was looking for, boxes that are different and unique and things that you guys would appreciate that not everybody is unboxing. So I'm kind of glad I found this. Serendipitous, right? And it says here, a dream without a planner is just a wish. Commit to building your dream. So yeah, this is good. And the first item that I pulled out of the bag when I pulled the cards out is a vitamin mist, and this is Nourish Anti-Aging Brighten. So it's like a tonic, I guess, toner. And so here it is, and let's see. It's really hard to read because it's clear bottle plus there's a lot of reflections, and it is certified organic. And it has, what does it have? Uses probiotic and vitamin C mist to nourish the skin with anti-aging and brightening technologies for a soft and refreshed complexion. Directions: mist on the face after cleansing to tone skin. Mist throughout the day to refresh skin. So, okay, it's cruelty-free, mineral oil-free, paraben-free, what is it? Formaldehyde free and nano free. So, okay. Interesting. And I don't see fragrance here. So it's okay. I don't see, right off the bat, I don't see fragrance. So that's good. I think she does things with natural stuff too. So, okay, I'll set that aside. I'll give that a go. And, you're kidding, right? So cute, Ghirardelli. This company's actually here in San Francisco. I gotta actually take you guys there one of these days, so you would love it. It's a chocolate factory, and this is a dark chocolate raspberry. Oh, she must know I love dark chocolate, so it's cute. She added that in there. And let's see what else is in here. Oh, okay. This is a, looks like a lip gloss, and it says Appeal. Let's see, liquid lipstick, ultra cream liquid lipstick. It's called Sinclair and Spice is the name of the color. And I'm trying to see if I see a company on here, but I don't really, so okay. But I'm not going to open it because it's got that cellophane around it, and you know how, you guys saw how much lip products I have, right? And so I'm going to go ahead and put this right away in the giveaways, okay? Okay, that's that. And because I want to share my wealth here, guys. Okay, and the next thing here. Oh, I like this. This is it's called a glow stick. And look at it. I think it's clear gel glow stick. And I think Milk Company Cosmetics has something like this, right? And this is called Iconic Beauty. And it's based in Los Angeles. And it's a glow stick. And again, this is metallic, so very hard to read under these lights. And so it looks like, again, cruelty-free product. So I will have to go ahead and take a look at it. And I think, and this is also got cellophane. Otherwise, I would swatch it for you. And plus, I don't think I'm going to keep this because I have a lot of things like this. So I may go ahead and put this in a giveaway. Okay? And let's see. Is there anything else left in here? I think, nope, that's it. That's it. This was the cap, I guess, to my little thing here. Okay. Alrighty then. Okay. Not bad. Oh, wait. There's something in here. Oh, you got to be careful. Oh, look at this. This is so cute. I would have thrown this out if it's got little, like, stuff in there. So, oh my gosh. This is so cute. And it's that knot. You know, what do you call those? Those love knots or whatever? This is so very cute. Oh my gosh. Oh, let's see. And this would fit, like, let me take that ring off for right now just to show you guys. Look. Aw. So that's very cute. I think I could wear this on my pinky and my right hand, though. Okay. So that's that. That is very cute. Anyway, alrighty, my beautiful wildflowers. I got sidetracked. Let me make sure there's nothing else in here. Because she's got, like, little stuffing in here, like, see? So, yeah. No, I think that's it, guys. Yeah. Hello, my beautiful wildflowers. I'm just breaking in here for a moment. I know this is the middle of a video that I already recorded, but remember, I pre-record these videos, and so, but I could not pick a winner yet because the giveaway for this Dammit doll was not yet over. So now I have to kind of cut in here and let you know who the winner is. And the winner's comment and photo and name should be appearing now. And I'm hoping that I don't say this wrong, but it says Aspirant Man. Is that correct? Aspirant Man. So whoever you are, please reach out to me via DM. If you have Instagram, I am on Instagram under Haute Modesty. And also at the bottom of the details here, I also have my email. So get in touch with me so I can get you your Dammit doll, okay? And congratulations. So back to regular programming. Yeah. When I dump it out, I'll make double sure. But nope, that's it. Okay, well, it came with this beautiful sack, which is definitely reusable. And it came with this cute little, whoops, I didn't know I didn't put it in a bag. Cute little ring here in this bag, a nice little lip gloss, lipstick, liquid lipstick, a probiotic and vitamin C mist for the face, a glow stick, as well as chocolate. Okay, so that's what came in a sack, and not bad, actually. I'm happy with it. for $18, that's okay. And there's a lot of thought put into it, and I'm really glad that, I've discovered this, and I love things like this, and I mean, it's just a little nice touch. And the fact that she actually sends like nice weekly emails, as well as I think every other day, I'm not sure, sayings and stuff like that, to kind of like, pop and you open it and she's cheering you up through email. So it's really nice how she does this. And so, yeah, like I said, if you're interested, look below. Let me get the information for you. And so, yeah. So, my beautiful wildflowers, let's go ahead and do the mindfulness cards now real quick, okay? So, hold on. Okay, now, last week, we picked this card called Let It Go. In case you guys missed it, I'm going to read what the card says and what we were supposed to be doing throughout the week. So it says we're always carrying something. Sometimes it's the idea that we should be a certain way, or a memory of when a close friend let us down, or our view of how everyone around us should behave. While holding views and opinions is not intrinsically bad, each one weighs us down in its own way, limiting what we can do and what we can be. Spend a few minutes reflecting on particular burdens you're carrying and play with what it might be to let it go. What does it say? What? Let me say that part again. I'm sorry. Spend a few minutes reflecting on a particular burden you're carrying and play with what it might be, like letting go. It does say that, okay? Then let it go. So, I really thought about these things, and there are, I think everybody has skeletons in their closets. They're not happy with something that transpired, sometime in their life. But some of us hold on to it for a long, long time. And some of us never let go of it until the day we die. And I mean, that is very harmful. That's very painful. And not to the person who wronged you, let's say, but to yourself. And I think I spoke a little bit to that last week. And so it's really important that you care for yourself. You do self-care, and then really try to think about, how can I look at this in a different way? How can I put it into a bottle and just throw the bottle into the ocean, and figuratively, and let that emotion or that pain go away? And a lot of times it's a matter of working through it, day-to-day basis. And sometimes it means reaching out to a professional to help you get rid of that burden, right? And there's nothing wrong with that. And there's been stigma, in our culture that says, you're seeing a psychiatrist or getting a therapy session, that you're crazy. And that's not exactly right? So I just want to throw that in there for you as well, too, because that actually came up in one of my readings. So this was a very good segue to that. But other than that, I mean, really lean on people who love you, that you trust, and really lean on them and share your burdens, and also allow them to share theirs with you. And most important, keep it confidential, work through it together. Or some people just like working things out on their own. I'm one of those people who love working things out on my own, but I love people working things out with me. And I love to help, and this is my nature. I guess this is why I became a nurse, right? And so, yeah, and so try day by day, even if it's to keep a journal, or even if it's just to talk to yourself. I do that a lot, guys. I mean, I talk to myself, and if other people were seeing me, they're probably like, yep, she's crazy, or she must have like a earbuds in and she's talking to somebody. That's the good thing about technology. Well, I diverted. Sorry about that. Blue car. So anyway, my beautiful wildflowers. Yeah, and so work what works for you. And never be afraid to reach out for help. Never, never, never. And it's okay. Because you know what? I mean, as strongest of all of us, I mean, could be weak at some points, right? I mean, not everybody has the ability to deal with things on their own. That doesn't mean you're weak. You just have a different way of dealing with things, okay? And just like a person like me who I do things on my own doesn't mean I'm strong. Not at all. It's just that's how I do things, okay? And so I hope that helps. And let me go ahead and put this card back. But let's go ahead and pick another one, right? Okay, let's do kindness one. I always like kindness. Okay, let's pick a random card. Okay. Oh, this one says zap. Kindness. Okay. All right. Okay, what is this about? Okay, combining mindfulness practices with playfulness. Oh, that's me. Not only allows us to train ourselves to develop lovely qualities, it's also great fun. Next time you're walking around town or just going about your day-to-day business, see what happens if you send everyone you see a good wishes by thinking to yourself, may you be well, or I hope you have an amazing day. Zapping everyone and everything around you with kindness as you go about your day, and will fill your day with joy and appreciation. Oh, you could do it quietly, or you could do it out loud if you're like me. A zap! They're looking, what? I just zapped you with kindness. Anyhow, but yeah. It's late, guys. I think this is the reason why I'm like a little crazy today. Okay, so but that's a good one. Go around zapping people. Zap people in the Zoom. You know, zap, 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 zap. Happiness, joy, friendliness, whatever. You know, just have fun with it, right? This is what self-care is about. Giving yourself a break. Okay, my beautiful wildflowers. Enough of my happy ranting. So if I added any value, please hit like. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I almost said describe. I like the word describe. No, if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider it. We have great fun. And yeah, I'm a little bit nutty today, but I do serious things as well. So my beautiful wildflowers, I hope you had a good time. And always remember, never sweat the small stuff. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.